Namaskara. Now we start the yogasana, pranayama and the mudras. I will start with Omkara. Shloka. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrutyorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hi dear brothers and sisters. Name of this body is Vijay Kumar B. Chandapur, former executive engineer from Karnataka Public Works Department. I am basically from Hubballi, now residing at Canara Bank Layout, Vidyaranyapura, Bengaluru. Yoga is my passion and it has come from my grandfather Mallappa Matti, who lived with good health up to 88 years. During this COVID-19 pandemic period, it is very essential to build immunity in the body. I am now demonstrating some very simple yogasanas, pranayamas and mudras. These will help us in improving the immunity and body strength, particularly to our respiratory system and in general to our whole body. First we will start with yogasanas. Now I will start with the rotation of our hands, which will give improvements to our shoulder joints. Okay, open arm rotation. Just it is good for your lungs also. Breathe out down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am doing reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we can do 5 cycles each or 10 cycles each. Now I will start with the closed arm rotation. It is also good for even our lungs also. Take the hands up. We are touching the ears and coming to the front. We are touching both the elbows here. Coming down. 5 counts. Again going up. Expanding the chest. Again coming up. Hold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now same thing reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again I am joining the elbows here. Coming up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, we are now doing this one for 2 cycles, but we can do for 5 rounds, 10 rounds in our regular activities. Now second one I will start with the swing of hands. It will give enhancement to our lungs capacity. Keep the 2 feet away, both the legs, and stretch the hands towards the back. Like this. Now I have done 5 times, but we can do up to 20 times, 30 times like this. So it will give better strength to our lungs as well as the ribs and the respiratory system. Third one I will go for again Trikonasana. So now keep the 3 feet away both the legs. Take the hands parallel. Take the same on the left foot, left palm is coming. See the upper palm and don't bend the knees. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in up slowly. Again parallel. Going again towards the right palm on the right foot. Left palm is up and see we are seeing. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in up slowly. Now reverse now. On the left foot, right palm is coming. Left palm is going up towards the sky and see it. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in up slowly. Again we will be going in reverse. On the right foot, left palm. See the right palm up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in up slowly. Then relax. And come to the now. This is Tadasana we call. Now we will do the spinal cord and lungs exercise. That will be beautiful. Now I am doing front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bending down front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding the legs on the back side and breathe out. Bringing the nose towards the knees. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe it up slowly and bending back. Take both the palms on the trunk. Bend more. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe up. Let the hands come from the back. Same thing I will show from the side. Okay. Breathe out down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again holding the legs. Again bringing the nose towards the knees. Bend more, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe it up slowly. Then breathe out, bend back. Take the hand towards the trunk. Thumb at the back, 4 fingers on the side. Bend more, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly from the back I am coming up, relaxing. That's all. So we can do 2 times, 3 times, 5 times like that. Now side bending, it is very good for the even lungs as well as the ribs also along with the spinal cord. Take the hands parallel. Left I am bending. First I am now bringing my head towards the shoulder and stretching the upper arm. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly I am coming up. Breathe in. Again breathe out. Go towards the extreme right. Let the head sleep on the first shoulder and then stretch the upper arm. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight. We should not bend forward or reverse. I will show from the side, same thing now. Okay. Now left side, right side first I will show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend. Hold. 1, 2. Hand should come back, not in the front. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight. Same thing I will show from the next side. So see here, again taking the hand here. I am pulling the upper arm, not bending the elbow. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the ribs are also having better flexibility. Down. Now I will do the twisting up our spinal cord. This is very good. So hold the hands like this in right angle and I am now twisting the trunk towards the left and right, not on the any pressure on the foot. Then breathe out, left side, trunk, shoulders, neck, eyes are twisted. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight. Breathe in. Again I am going towards the right. Trunk, shoulders, neck are twisted. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight. Now I will show from the side now. Okay. So right side first I will show. Again I am going on. Left side. Trunk, shoulders, neck, eyes are twisted. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am now seeing the camera. That much I am twisted on my eyesight. 9, 10. Straight. Again towards the extreme end of the next. Trunk, shoulders, neck, eyes are twisted. Hold. Twist more, twist more. There is no pressure on the foot. Hold. See now I am seeing the screen of the window. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The drushti is not here, it is here. Like that we have to do the same thing. Relax, change. So like this we are now doing the spinal cord and lungs exercise. Now last one we will do ankle and feet exercise to improve our capacity of the lungs. Okay, now I will be doing the ankles. Very simple it is. We have to stand on the toes and lift the hands and suddenly breathe out after 5 seconds. Breathe in up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Breathe in up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we will be doing 10 times, 20 times, 30 times. So it will clear all our lungs from the bottom. Toxins will be removed. During this pandemic season, it is very effective to clear all the toxins and the virus from the lungs to the nose. Thank you. Now we will go to the pranayama. Then I will be sitting now. Okay. Now second one, we will start with the pranayamas. Simple one we are doing now here. So I will start with the lungs exercise. We are taking the hands parallel and now breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold inside 1, 2. Slowly breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2. From the side I will show this one again. So here we are holding. Breathe in up 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold inside 1, 2. Slowly breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2. Relax. Like this we will be doing for the 5 times or 10 times depending on the availability of time. Now second one. Now I am keeping the hands in Namaskara Mudra, taking it up. That is in our Parvatasana posture. The same thing, repeat. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold inside 1, 2. Slowly breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2. सांस लेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. अंदर रोक लेंगे 1, 2. धीरे से छोड़ेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. बाहर रोक लेंगे 1, 2. ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 1, 2, 3, 4. ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ 1, 2. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋಣ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ 1, 2. Relax. That's all. So ಇದು 3 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I have done 3 times. We can now do it for 10 times, 20 times like this. Now third one is very important. I am taking the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Now opening it completely. Taking it on the back of our head and touching the now back and pushing the head back. Same counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold inside 1, 2. Slowly breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2. ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 1, 2, 3, 4. ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ 1, 2. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋಣ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ 1, 2. सांस लेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. अंदर रोक लेंगे 1, 2. धीरे से छोड़ेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. बाहर रोक लेंगे 1, 2. Relax. Same thing I will show from the sides. Okay. So I am putting the hands in Namaskara Mudra, opening it, taking it on the back, extreme down and stretching the head. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold inside 1, 2. Slowly breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold out 1, 2. Relax slow. That's all. Now we have done the lunge exercise. Now I will do the simple Kapalabhati. There are 3 types are there in this one. I will do simple Kapalabhati. Here both the hands in Chinna Mudra, keeping on the our knees, and take the beginners who can take the hand on the stomach. See that it is going in and out. That's all. Just to see. After practicing, we need not. We can keep both hands like this. Okay. I will start now. Simple. I have done up to 21 now. So we can do 50, 100, 200 like this. So it will give the better capacity to our lungs and we can clear all the toxins from our lungs. Second one, I am doing the same thing with the Soham Kriya. Then I am taking the hands like this. Same breathe out, breathe in starting. Like this. I have done now 21. We can do 50, 100, 200. But here important is that one, when we are taking it up, we should try to twist our palms outside and our arm should be near to the ears. When coming down, suddenly we have to come and hit here. Knee should not go, elbow should not go back. We should hit like this. Okay? That's the only thing we have to keep it in mind. Now, take the thumbs on the shoulders and we will be swinging our spinal cord to left and right. Breathe out to the extreme end and breathe in at the center. We will now start. I have done now 21. Like that we can again increase to 50, 100, 200 like that. So all these three things Kapalabhati will give better now stamina to our lungs and ribs as well as the spinal cord. So during now this exercise, even it can burn the cancer cells. That much power is there in this now Kapalabhati. Same thing in the extra higher capacity I am doing the Bhastrika also. That I am holding in the Chinna Mudra, this is, and holding this one in the Nasagra Mudra, means thumb and ring fingers are open, between two fingers are touching the palm. So holding like this, suddenly breathe out, breathe in. We will do for the left nostril, right nostril. Breathe in. Like this. See now the beauty of this one. In the beginning I will start slowly and in the middle I will increase the speed and at the end again I will be now slowing down. This should be done. If I am doing 100, I should now divide it into 20 slow, again 20 speed, 20 again slow and again 20 slow we have to and reduce the speed like that. Okay. Now we will do the King of Pranayama, Anuloma Viloma. Here one thing I want to tell you, the lungs exercise and we have done Kapalabhati, we have done Bhastrika, we have done, but at least there should be a gap of 2 hours from any solid food intake. Now other two what we are doing, they need not be, they can be, we can have the better results if we are hungry, but we can take even after the meals also immediately we can do. It will remove our tension and the release to the nervous system. King of Pranayama, Chin Mudra, Nasagra Mudra, holding again the nose, breathe in, close the both nostrils, open the left nostril, only breathe out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Closing the both nostrils, holding inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open the right nostril, only breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the both nostrils. 1, 2, 3, this is one cycle. Again I will do the second cycle also. Just see, ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಎಡಬಳ್ಳೆಯಿಂದ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಉಸಿರು ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋಣ. 1 2 3 4. ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 1 2 3 4. ಬಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಸಿರು ಬರೀ ಬಿಡೋಣ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಉಸಿರು ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 2 3 4. ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲ್ಸ್. 1 2 3 4. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ 2 ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ 5 11 21 like that. So it will give the better results for our body calmness, and all the nervous system will get very calm and quiet. Any tension, if it is there, that will be released. Now I will be doing the queen of pranayama, that is Bhramari pranayama. That will give enhancement to our memory power, and brain cells will get activations. Now here what we have to do, just close all the now ears, eyes, nose half, and the even lips also we are closing, and doing this Bhramari pranayama just like a black bee. I am now making the sound from the now my sound box, and the sound or vibrations are touching the brain cells. So I am taking the thumb here in the ears, closing, then the index finger on the forehead, and on the so on the eyes I am taking the middle finger, and ring finger, and the nose, and on the lips the little fingers. Open the ring finger and breathe in completely. Then close it half, not full. Again open the nostrils, breathe in and close half, then exhale. And then we have to do humming sound. Like this we can do 5 times, 11 times, 21 times, and slowly we will open our eyes. So this now we are now ending with the pranayamas. So many are there, but now basic thing required for our this period of COVID I have now taken up. Now I will come to the now mudras. So all the mudras we should know. Basically first I should know what mudras say in our all 5 fingers. So all these 5 fingers of our hand, now they represent this thumb is representing the fire, Agni. Now this index finger is representing the Vayu or air. Then this one, middle finger is representing the now Akasha Tattva or sky. And this now ring finger, it represents the earth or Bhumi. And little fingers represents the water or the Jala. See, all the 5 elements are there in our fingertips. This is the beauty of our now mudras. So each mudra gives the benefit inside our body very, very effectively. Now lastly we will come to the mudras. Very simple mudras I am now showing you. See, we do actually the Namaskara mudra. This is also very good for our health, but only it is not Namaskara mudra is for give to respect, but it gives the immense pleasure and immense strength to our body inside. So now right palm represents the negative energy, left palm represents the negative energy. Both are neutralizing. So the nervous system of our body will become very cool, calm, and we will be feeling very pleasant. This is the beauty of this Namaskara mudra. Our ancient now people, they have introduced that one. So now I will come to the next one, Chinna mudra. This is the Chinna mudra. We are now holding like this on the knees. So what is the importance of this one is, now I am now giving the air to the fire. So inside I am giving the now more energy toward my body system. This is simple and very effective. If I am keeping the palm like this, from the trunk and above, the energy level will enhance more. And if I am keeping it down, from the trunk to the toes, it will be improving the energy level. See the beauty of this Chinna Mudra. Same thing now I will do the Chinmaya Mudra, taking these fingers again inside. Early Chin Mudra this much, but I am taking all the fingers instead of open, closed, and I am keeping here like this. That's all. This is Chinmaya Mudra. So again it gives the now relief to our body, circulatory system and the respiratory system also. This is the beauty. We can just hold for 5 minutes, 10 minutes while we are watching TV and all those things, these mudras. Third one is Adi Mudra, taking the thumb inside and all the 4 fingers are covering that one and keeping again here like this. So when this is again increases our metabolism and digestive system and the heat and will also be produced in our body. It will reduce our fats also. That much power is there in this. Chin Mudra, Chinmaya Mudra and Adi Mudra we have done. Yeah. Now I am going for the Surya Mudra, third one. So Surya Mudra, what we have to do, take the ring finger inside and touch, press with the thumb and other fingers are open, that's all. Surya Mudra. Just name itself says Surya means the energy. So energy in the body will enhance. It will give immense strength to our respiratory system, circulatory system and digestive system also. So just we are holding like this and keeping it on the knees. We need not sit like this also. We can sit in the comfortable posture like this and cross the legs, that's all. Those who cannot sit in the Sukhasana or Padmasana, they can sit like this on the sofa or the chair and do it. But legs should be crossed to complete the aura. This is the thing. Third one now, Apana Vayu Mudra. Now Apana Vayu Mudra, what I am doing now, taking these 2 fingers inside and taking the thumb and ring finger, touching the tips and keeping here. This is Apana Vayu Mudra. So Apana Vayu means the bad air that will go off from our body. It will again improve our circulatory system, blood circulatory system, digestive system, metabolic system and excretory system also. That much power is there. Is Sanjeevani Mudra or Apana Vayu Mudra it is called. Okay. Now last one I will be going for the improvement of our heat energy in our body, that is Linga Mudra. Take all the fingers, cross and thumbs are now up. Now right thumb on the top and I am covering the right, left thumb and the ring finger and joining them and keeping near our navel point or navi. I can sit like this, I can sit like this also. There. Though this will give immense heat in our body. If we go to any cold places, if I am feeling very cold, I don't have any warm clothes, we can hold like this and improve our heat energy inside our body. And it will now reduce our cholesterol also. So it will give better results to reduce our fatness in our body. This is called as Linga Mudra. Okay, these are all the few things mudras I am now giving you. Thank you one and all. Now I will end with again one more shloka with Omkara. Breathe in. Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta nirogi bhavantu. Loka samasta suknyani bhavantu. Let us pray Almighty to give good health to one and all in the world and Mother Earth to give good protection. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity to explain the mudras and the asanas. Thank you one and all.